Listen to Introduction to Busy. In this chapter, we'll discuss about Busy software. Busy is a complete ERP solution using which you can maintain your accounting, inventory, billing, taxation related details. It is one of the leading accounting software of India today with more than 3 lakh licenses worldwide. It is used not only in India but outside India also. Many people are using Busy for their business needs. Using Busy accounting software, you can maintain all your business needs and do your work smoothly and efficiently. First of all, here we'll discuss genesis of business accounting. In a business, there is a need to keep record of multiple things such as expense, amount receivable, payable, tax submission, stock maintenance, and so on. Recording of all these entries or managing such issues jointly is termed as business accounting. One of the major purpose of accounting is to provide data needed for decision making and efficient operation of business. For example, owners are always interested in the returns yielded on the capital and the financial stability of the business. Government relies on accounting for assessing the taxable capacity of the business. So all this can be done only by maintaining accounts, and thus we can say that accounting is an inevitable part of any business. That is, you need to maintain your books of accounts to do the business. So this is business accounting, that is recording of all entries, expenses, amount receivable, payable is jointly termed as business accounting. Now we'll discuss the advantages of computerized accounting. Computerized accounting has lots of benefit with it. With the availability of user-friendly accounting software at a relatively low cost, it is always a wise decision to maintain accounting records through business accounting software records instead of manual maintenance of records. Using computerized accounting software like Busy offers various features, various advantages like availability of records with just a click of button. Data is always accurate and reliable. Automatic generation of various documents, invoices, statements of account, generation of GST returns and EAV bill, which is very important, and MIS reports, which helps in increasing the revenue and decreasing the operational cost. Next, we'll discuss Introduction to Busy. Busy is, as we have said earlier, is a complete enterprise solution covering needs of almost all type of trades like FMCG, electronics, retails, and so on. Busy was launched in 1994, and since then there is no looking back. Busy has always given its customer the utmost priority and excelled in providing simple and user-friendly solution to its customer. It is very true to its tagline, not just accounts, manage your business. Busy is not confined to mere handling of accounts, but it is a complete ERP solution using which you can maintain inventory, taxation, payroll, customer support and inquiry, approval, auditing entries, and all such work easily and efficiently. Some of the powerful features of Busy are accounting and inventory, checks and controls. Busy offers very strong checks and controls. Billing is very quick and fast in Busy, and taxation, especially GST part, is very strong in Busy. That is, Busy provides all the GST related reports and returns and provides a very easy way of entering GST transactions. Next, we'll discuss accounting. Busy is primarily a business accounting software. We have said earlier that accounting is an inevitable part of any business, hence for any type of trade, maintaining account is a must. With the computerized software such as Busy, maintaining accounts has become a very simple and easy process. Busy offers a lot of accounting reports, almost all types of accounting reports, some of which are balance sheet, trial balance, account ledger, amount receivable, payable, bank reconciliation, interest calculation, depreciation, and so on. The list is endless. Busy provides almost all types of accounting reports. Next, we'll discuss inventory management. Busy offers a very strong inventory management module, and the advanced inventory management features of Busy are also very strong. In the field of inventory management, Busy is way ahead of the famous accounting softwares of India, and which it turns make it a very good choice for the trades that require comprehensive stock maintenance. Advanced inventory features of Busy includes serial number wise maintenance of stock, which is used in mobile, software packages, inverter batteries type trades. Then is batch wise maintenance of stock, which is required in medicines and pharma businesses. Parameterized stocks required for cloth and shoe merchants. MRP wise stock for FMCG perishable goods like biscuits, breads. Indent, order, quotation, challan, multiple item pricing modes, and so on. There are so many inventory management features in Busy using which you can easily maintain this stock of items. Next is billing. Billing is of course one of the most important part of a business, and every businessman expects the billing to be simple and quick, foolproof, accurate, and configurable. Busy offers all these advantages with it. With Busy, the billing is simple and quick. Busy provides POS data entry screen in which you can predefine the fixed and less changeable values of bills in advance. Foolproof, discounts, markups, scheme management, disallowing sale below specified price. All these features are provided in Busy. Then billing in Busy is accurate. Billing should always be accurate. That is, the prices as set for different parties like distributors, retailers, wholesalers should appear as it is in the bill. Busy offers multiple pricing mode feature using which you can predefine pricing structures for different parties, and accordingly the price will appear at the time of voucher entry. And next, most important, different billing formats. Each business has its own set of requirements. For printing of invoice and documents, Busy provides totally configurable and easy to design billing formats using which you can design your own bill formats. Next is taxation. It is mandatory to adhere to the taxation policies of a country in which you trade. In India, there are different types of taxes levied. Although many of the taxes are now subsumed in GST, but still survey tax, TDS, TCS, other taxes are also prevalent in the economy. Busy has a very strong taxation module which provides all the statutory reports needed by the government without any hassle. GST in India, there are various GST returns which needs to be filed by the person organization. Busy provides all GST returns and report. You can create JSON file, CSV file or Excel file as per government template from Busy and upload it onto the GST portal. So entering GST related transactions and generating reports of GST is very easy in Busy. Next is TDS and TCS. TDS is tax deduction at source and TCS is tax collected at source. TDS is a direct tax levied on income earned by a person or organization, and TCS is collected by the seller of a specified goods from the buyer at the time of sale of such good. Next is checks and control. Checks and controls are also very important for a software. Any software should provide strong checks and control to make sure that businessman is free from worrying about company's data and any misuse of data and can virtually keep an eye on all the employees. So Busy offers user management feature. Using user management, you can create various sub-users, restrict sub-users from entering certain transactions or providing certain rights to them. Then is warning alarms, that is raising of an alarm or warning when any unpleasant entry is entered, like when stock is going negative or cash is going negative, or you are entering any item below its selling price. Approval rights you can provide. Then you can configure alerts, that is you will get an email or SMS for any unpleasant entry. So all these checks and controls are provided in Busy software. Next we'll discuss different Busy models. Busy comes in 3 different models. First is Basic, which offers all the features required for a small business along with GST. Then is Standard. Standard edition comprise of all the features covered in Basic edition plus advanced inventory features and other operational features like SMS, email. Enterprise edition, which is the highest model of Busy, which has all the features as required from an ERP solution like payroll, customer support and inquiry management, web-based reporting, head office, branch office features. So all these features are provided in Enterprise edition. Next, Busy versions. From time to time, Busy releases new version to cater to the needs of its customer and to comply with the statutory norms. Busy is always among the first few to provide up-to-date GST reports to its customer. As soon as any change is there in the GST reports or returns or in GST tax rates, Busy always makes the required changes in the software as soon as possible. So in this chapter we have discussed about Busy accounting software and various features that Busy accounting software offers. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.